Yes, Preet, you're saying something.
No, it's me only. It's my wife's laptop, Windows I'm using. So that.
Okay.
So I was just trying to ask you, like in the last class means in the last session, like meeting where it is not showing after manifest is not showing any option for class. So we need to create it, right? Manually.
So
The class.
inside manifest. Okay, this class, you're
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
this class folder or not?
No, no, no,
So you're not getting this class folder. It should be
no.
available. If no, then you can create one class file. Can you share your screen quickly? I can
Sure.
help you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you need to give me the permission, please.
Done.
Are you able to see?
Yes. You click on Force app. Force app. Yeah, below. Yes. Class. So here is the class.
Okay. Yeah, we
Now,
can.
yeah, right click, new file, not a folder. Correct. Good. Now give foo.cls. Okay. F can be capital if you want to copy paste my and okay, no problem. It will be good if you provide a capital. Okay, just rename, right click. Yes. Now you can copy paste the content that I pinged you. So this is a development work. Like as a developer, let's say you want to create a foo class. Foo is just a random name I provided.
Okay. Let's see.
Yes, copy this name. Yeah. Only till line number 12. 1 to 12. Yeah. Yeah. Save. Control S. Now again you can create a new file. Click on class, new file. You can provide that name. You can copy paste, which I have given over chat. Yeah, this one. And other are also doing right. Let me know if you have any question. Okay. I want to make session very interactive. If you have even a
Okay.
small question, you can ask. I will not like escape any queries. And recording
And
part, I will get this done as soon as possible. Yeah, I know.
yeah, and
But
Manish, you can also help us in preparing resume as
your
well.
voice is very low. Sorry.
No, I'm saying that you can help us to create the resume as well for the DevOps
Yeah, okay,
part.
I will help. Okay, I will help on that.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, I'm doing that.
Just
Thank
save
you
it.
so much.
Now you can like do a right click on that class and then you can push it. Deploy to source org.
Okay. Okay.
Just see if you're able to do it or not so that you can get a hands-on view.
Sure.
And for other, are you done? If you want to do it later, that is also fine for me. Okay. But just let me know if you're doing or you're just understanding for now and then you will do it later.
So I right click and retrieve this source
No,
to
no,
from the org.
no, no. What you need to do here, you want to deploy some changes from your local system to the org. So you need to click right, then deploy this source to org, not retrieve. Deploy this to source to org. There will be option sfdx colon deploy this source to org. Click there.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now if you go to the org, Salesforce org,
I am confused, right? Which one should I deploy, food or the class one?
right click on foo.
Food. Okay.
Yeah. And Charan, YB, you are also doing, or you want any
Yeah,
help?
I'm doing. It is failing. Deploy this source to R.
Oh, it is failing.
Yes.
So you have created that meta XML file.
Yes, both class and meta.xml, and pasted the content here given to us.
So you want to share screen? If that I can see. Perfect. Now let me see it. Okay, look, you
Yeah.
can, if you see foo.cls, the F is in lowercase. Foo.cls. No, below.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. This no, go up. Yeah. This is fine. Now you can change that foo.cls. The top one, above one. Okay, anyway, both looks fine. Anything, both are on the same way, that's fine. Now if you try to push it, right click on foo.cls.
Still it's failing.
You can see, scroll down.
Project path.
Foo. Project, what's saying? File name mismatch with failed run. Can you change the like foo to F to capital?
What about meta XML?
Same in MetaXML also. Maybe sometime the naming convention or maybe your content is wrong. Let's try. Save it. Yeah, now try to.
Yeah, now
Now,
it's successful.
yeah, now
Oh,
go to your Salesforce org. Yeah, refresh it. Yes, done. You can see
yeah,
churn
because I
quality.
kept cap. Okay.
Yes. So look, so this is the format that is supported from Salesforce. So again, so the developer will make sure, okay, like these are the things that this need to be taken care. Otherwise, it will fail on the deployment. But from a DevOps perspective, the connection, now you can see the connection is properly established for our local setup, right? Now,
Yes.
whatever they will do, they can easily deploy to the sandbox. Now, if you want to try other way, you can create new file in Salesforce org. If you go to Salesforce org, if you want to try, you can also retrieve it. Here, new, beside developer console, center, there is a new button. Center, center of the page. Below,
Okay.
Control F new, search Control F new. See, there is a new button beside no, there beside developer. No, back. Go back. So we have a new button here, center, beside developer console. Yeah, yeah. Left, left. Yeah, this one.
Okay, okay. Uh,
Now go to Visual Studio Code and copy paste here.
which one to copy here?
Yeah, Control A. And click on foo.cls. Foo.cls. We need to copy foo.cls. Yeah, Control A, content. Control A, Control V. Just change the name from foo to something else. Go to Salesforce. Control V. Now change the foo to foo1 or something else. Whatever name you want.
Okay.
Okay, save it. Foo1. Change. Do not keep the same name. Yeah, foo1. Now save it. Done. Now
Yes.
go to Visual Studio Code. Now again, go to Visual Studio Code. Now click on class folder. Yes. Now right click. Yeah. Now retrieve the last option. Retrieve this source from org. Last option. Now expand the class folder. Nothing happened.
No, one did not come in.
Okay. Scroll down, go to manifest. You remember I told you that package XML is utilized to retrieve. Scroll down. There is a manifest folder. Yeah, there. Yeah, this one. Click here. Okay. Now we just want to retrieve a class. Now remove other part. So if you scroll down, okay. Now just listen. From line 34, select from line 34. Okay, go up. I'm just trying to remove it. Yeah, go up. The type is not selected. Yeah, go up, 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 up. Okay. Now till line 8. Not 7, 7, 7. Yeah, delete it. One more backspace. Yeah, save it. Correct. Now click on package.xml file and now do the right click. Now all the classes will be retrieved automatically. The last option below, the last option, right click and the last option, retrieve source in manifest from org. Now if you go to the class, look that foo1 is retrieved now.
Yeah, it's already there. One is there. But what about one's dependencies like
Look,
this?
if you click on meta
Metadata.
XML file, just click on meta XML file. So here what you can see, the API version and status. So it means the version that we are using is 60. So current Salesforce version is 60 that is getting retrieved. So it is a
Okay.
normal Salesforce development approach. If you are trying to create any class, you also need to append meta XML file, related meta XML file. So this is a standard of coding. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When you are trying to create from a local system, so both file you need to create, but you are retrieving from the system, automatically that file get created. Because in Salesforce, you have only created the foo class, right? Automatically that XML was present here. Okay.
Okay. One more minute.
Yes, sir.
Actually, if I used to member of approval group with in Azure DevOps, right? Normally, I have to approve whatever changes you have done.
Okay.
Now I don't have access to your organization that you have created. Earlier, you have given to.
Okay. So your it is not working.
No, just today it has happened. Till yesterday,
No,
I
no.
didn't notice.
So don't use mine because let's say I have only one license,
You
right?
remove my access. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
redo it all over again. It's not a problem. But you have removed my access, right?
Correct. Yeah.
That is
So because I have done the cleanup, there are many I have provided access
oh,
at the time of
okay,
demo.
got it.
So based on that cleanup, I believe the access was gone. Because
No problem. I do it all over again.
okay, it will be good. You
No,
have your own setup. Otherwise,
yes,
the
yes.
number of run will be reduced, right? We are using
No,
the
I
free
just
version. That's why.
okay. I just want to confirm that you have removed from the team. That's why the error has
Ah,
come.
okay. So cool. I done the cleanup. So based on that, all other access was gone except mine.
Oh, okay. No problem, Manish.
Okay. Any other
Okay.
question?
Yeah, Manish, I just want to ask you, why did you told to delete the line 34 types from to line 7?
Okay. So in package XML, like package XML is used to retrieve or deploy the component which is present under the force app. So as I said, to class is one of the component, right? Just for
Okay,
testing, I chose class, but there are other component as well which can be used for the development, Salesforce development. And in that package XML, there was all other component mentioned. So just to make it clear, I don't want other component to be retrieved because we don't want to work on that part. We're just doing this for the testing purpose for DevOps work. So
right.
that are other component which I removed. That's it. If we
O-
keep that component, if you try to retrieve, all that component will be retrieved to your local system.
Okay, got you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, any other question? Because there was one more thing I was supposed to discuss in this class only, that now how to prepare the connection for Salesforce CLI, like from command. We don't have the UI, right? So when we go to the pull request, Azure DevOps or GitHub, so there we will not get this Visual Studio UI. Right now we are doing right click and performing the action. Now there we will do everything from the command. For that command also, every time we are spinning a machine, virtual machine, the authentication need to be done at runtime. For that, how that connection will be established, some prerequisite will be there, right? So that all thing, how to get that connection and all from pull request label, how to prepare for that, because that connection setup need to be done. So that I will show you how that connection prerequisite will be done using VS Code. You will get the auth and all the JSON auth that are required for the connection. So that will be one-time activities for any pipeline setup. So that I will let you know. Right now we have just clicked on the button, right? And then we got the UI where we provide a username password. So here we will have a predefined steps that will be done as a one-time activities by which we will get the auth JSON text file. So that we will store in Azure DevOps so that our connection will be established when we run a pull request. So for now, just understand for SFCLI connection, how we will log in into Salesforce org. So there will be some process. So that process I will show you in the next session. And then we will begin with pull request setup for this validation and deployment that we did manually here. Okay, I will go slow only. So first I will show the authentication part and then Delta, everything in like step by step manner that we did in our manual approach through VS Code. But till VS Code thing, you are clear or not what we have done. So don't try to think on a way like why I am not doing this development, I'm not understanding this Apex and all. Just try to assume this, okay, this is one of the environment org where this is a development way. Now our job comes into the picture to validate and to make a connection between our Azure DevOps and this VS Code and then pull request and send Salesforce org. So that part need to be aware. Okay. But just for testing, we have referred this Apex class and all small piece of development so that we can test our setup so that it will be easy to explain. That's why I took this path. It's clear? Any question?
Yeah, one question. I am trying to retrieve, my retrieve part is not coming.
Okay. So how you are doing? So you have created uh, any class in your environment?
Yeah, yeah, two classes. class, foo class and foo class XML.
Now, if you can right click on package.xml under
Mm-hmm.
the manifest folder and then right click and select that last option, retrieve from org, manifest from org, like that.
Right. This one.
Yeah, right click, this one, yeah. Okay. Now if you go to the class, it's not coming. It's okay, it's still running. Now meanwhile, can you okay, successfully run. Now if you go to the class, it's not showing.
No.
Okay, can you go to the Salesforce org? If you click on Apex class, let me see how many class you have here. So where you have created the class? It's only one foo. So there is no extra class, Basir. So
Okay,
first,
okay.
yeah. So once you want to retrieve anything from the org, it should be present in org itself. Then only it will get retrieved. Right now there is
Like,
only foo. That's why it's getting foo class here.
so we need to create more class here.
Yeah, you can taste like this also. Go to the Salesforce org just to make it little fast. Now you can open this foo. You can also edit this foo class and will retrieve. Then we will get the updated file. If you click on edit, edit, do some changes here. Write some more lines so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, something is changed. Write ABCD, whatever. Okay, save it. Okay, now if you go to your Visual Studio Code, now right click on package XML and retrieve. So once it is successful, now if you open, yeah, it's successful. Open foo.cls, you will see the latest code. See, you can
Okay,
see
yes.
ABC. So that time there was no extra class. That's why it's not getting retrieved.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine. Any other question? If no, then I think we are good to close this call. And definitely by tomorrow, this recording will be uploaded. Okay. And then you can go through with it and then do some practice. You can refer our recording to get some like real time thing. If you missed anything over this class, you can pause the recording and perform your task accordingly. Okay. Okay, then thank you all. And
Thank
thank
you,
you
Manik.
for joining.